Hello guys, welcome once again. So if you're new to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe, like and share this video. So this channel I will do here will make tips and tricks of how to make money online. So if you love videos like this, kindly do well to smash the like button, sit back and stay tuned for this amazing video. This video I'll be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT and generate a thumbnail. How to generate a thumbnail using ChatGPT. So if you want to create a thumbnail for your video and you don't know how to do it, so still by this video is for you. So today I will break it down the step-by-step guide on how to generate a best thumbnail for your video. So just sit back and watch as we go. So first of all we are going to be doing is just one, we are going to be using ChatGPT, and two, we are going to be using a prompt. We are going to be creating a prompt that we can use to generate the thumbnail for the video. So first, all you have to do after creating your videos, first all you have to do after creating your videos, then you want to upload it. Then you head on to after creating your videos, you have gotten your title for your videos, your description, everything. So all you have to do is to head on to ChatGPT. So make sure you create a new ChatGPT account. Make sure you log in with a new ChatGPT account. Just all you have to do is just to click on login, sign up with a new account. So for the tutorial video, I'm going to be using this my ChatGPT account is actually a new one, so I don't feel like to create a new one again. So you guys already know how to create a new one. So if you don't know, kindly comment it down below. I'll show you how to create a new ChatGPT account. So first, all you have to do is to enter your ChatGPT account, log in. After you log in, then you came to the search bar. So let's wait a little for our ChatGPT to load up. So guys, here's our ChatGPT has load up. So all you have to do is to click on create image. So click on create image. So we have click on create image. So this is what you have to do. Then you head on to your YouTube. All you have to do is to copy your title. Copy your YouTube title. And then you have to input this prompt. So this is the prompt I'm going to input. So this prompt I'll paste it in the description of this video. You have to copy it and then use it. So this is what you have to do. You just have to type in. All you have to do first is to let ChatGPT know what you want to use it for. So for this one, let's say I want to create a YouTube thumbnail for my video. So this is what you have to do. Just then you paste, you send it. So you can see it's actually it's actually creating an image. So let's just wait a little for him to load up. Then I'll show you guys the next step to take. Let's just wait a little bit. So guys, you can see it actually generated the thumbnail. So all we have to do is to wait a little bit. Let's wait a little. So you can see this thumbnail actually created is a normal random thumbnail. So now we want to create our own thumbnail. So let me just say the title of the video I want to create is how to make money. So let's just put it like this. So let me just say, okay, create a thumbnail. No, I think you made a mistake there. A thumbnail for the thumbnail on let's click the thumbnail on how to make money online. Then you can click here and add up the photo you want to. Maybe you want to add use your photo. So you can just add up any random photo. So let me add up this photo. So you can just add your picture to it so that it will know it will get more. Add any picture you feel like you want to add to it, or you can just create it like that. So this is my picture, I want to create it, so let me do it. Let me click on send. So you can see it's actually loading up, so let's wait a little bit. Please guys, if you actually find value in this video, please kindly do well to subscribe and like. Also do well to share this video. That is to show my appreciation that you guys are actually supporting me. So please guys, just like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe, please guys. Support me guys by like, share and subscribe. So please just be patient a little for him to load up. So it's actually a free version of ChatGPT. That's why it's actually playing like this. I'm just doing it for the tutorial of this video. So boom guys, it has actually loaded up, so let's take a look at it. So boom guys, as you can see actually what we got here. This is actually amazing guys, actually amazing. So guys, tell me what you feel about this thumbnail. Tell me what you think about this thumbnail. I think that ChatGPT is actually doing a great job here. So this is how I normally create my thumbnail. So for those of you that actually don't know, you can just use the prompt or use the strategy I actually use to create yours. All you have to do is it's not that easy. You can just use it and boom, you are good to go. So there's a few things I would like to say about this thumbnail creating of stuff. So for actually it's a free version of, so there's a limit of time they will let you to create a thumbnail. So like let me say there's how long you create a thumbnail there, so they will limit you. You exceed your limit. So all you have to do is just to like create another ChatGPT account. So you can just create another ChatGPT account with another email. Then you can see continue from there. So if you actually have money to purchase the plan, you can actually go for it. So that's how it is, guys. So guys, if you actually find value to the video, please kindly do well to like, share, and subscribe. Support me by liking, share, and subscribe to the channel. That was actually mean a very lot to me. So I'm not asking you guys to pay me on any stuff for this. So just all I need for you is just your interaction and your subscribe, liking, and share. See, so if you actually watch this video to the end, please kindly do it to comment it down below, and we get to know each other and interact in the comment section. So mind you guys, and also don't forget to comment where you're actually watching this video from. Comment where you're actually watching this video from. So peace out guys. Hello.